Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today we will be teaching you a new word of the week!
I like it!
The word of the week is KOALA! Yay! A koala is a bear-like Australian marsupial that has thick gray fur and a big black nose. Koalas also have a broad head, large hairy ears, and sharp claws. Here is what a koala sounds like. Koalas are found in the forests of Queensland, New South Wales, and Victoria in Australia. Koalas feed on eucalyptus leaves and are great at climbing trees. You can also use koala in a sentence like this. The koala climbed a big tree looking for yummy leaves to eat. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey. KOALA! If you liked our video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching, kiddos. Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the